Hello, and in this video I will be demonstrating how to punch down a patch panel. Materials necessary are a patch panel, punch down tool, a cutting tool, and some snips. And of course some Cat6 cable. Start off by cutting the Cat6 cable to expose the wire, pull the sheathing off and spread the wires out. Insert your wires into the proper location on the patch panel. We are using the B standard. Use your punch down tool to punch and cut excess wires. Repeat the steps for the bottom side. Verify that all wires are pushed in, and you're done.